A car that won't go into gear can be caused by several issues, including dirty transmission fluid, a broken clutch, or a malfunctioned engine control unit. To address these problems, start by changing the transmission fluid. Locate the transmission drain plug. Remove it by unscrewing, and empty the dirty fluid into a container. Once the plug is screwed back in, pour in the clean transmission fluid. If this doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to replace the broken clutch. Access the car's clutch, remove the broken one, and clean the surrounding area of any dirt, grease, or oil. Use a clutch alignment tool to position the new clutch disc, ensuring it is securely secured in place. If the problem persists, the engine control unit, or ECU, may be the culprit. Begin by removing the car battery and consulting the car's manual to locate the ECU. Using the appropriate tools, remove the old ECU and replace it with a new one, securing it tightly with bolts. Reconnect the battery, start the car, and check the dashboard for error codes or warning lights. Repeat this process to confirm. If no errors appear, the ECU replacement has been successful. Take the car for a test drive to verify that the issue has been fixed. If the problem remains, it's advisable to seek expert input. By following these steps, fixing a car that won't go into gear can be a relatively straightforward process.